Hi, my name is Dylan. This is the rock paper scissors app for Unit 7, Lesson 4, Make. And what this app is just a game app which you play rock paper scissors against an AI. So if I press rock, it's a draw because we both got rock. If I press again, I lose because I win. My bad. I win and I get a point on the right, as you can see, and this person right here indicates that it's me, and the smartphone indicates that it's the computer. Uh, wow, a lot of draws. Now the computer wins, so it gets a point to the right. I win, so I get a point to the side. I win again. So the way this works is that it has two lists, one for the icon image and one for the um words, rock, paper, scissors. And then it has two variables which keep the score of the player at 0, which at the beginning the score is going to be 0, of course. Next is 3 event blocks, which on event that you press rock, paper, or scissors, this event happens, and inside those on event blocks there are functions, and those functions each have a uh specific part to it. For example, the update screen has a rock to it, the update screen has the paper to it, and then the other update screen has a scissors to it. But what these functions do is that the variable computer choice randomly chooses choices and then puts them in the outputs them into the app. And what winner does is it helps me decide who wins based off the two icons. And what these set properties do is actually set the image of the rock, paper, or scissors. This conditional down here is basically helping you decide who actually wins, what value equals what, and which one is greater than the other. So for example, if winner equals draw, winner is basically this text right here, then the code will set the property of draw on top of here. And if the winner equals player, so for example, if the player wins, the property will set the text to you win and players plus plus, which is 1 plus that. And this other set property is it sets the text of the new value to the number. So basically, it just did it right now. So since I won again, it set 6 plus 1, so that would equal 7. And the same thing with the computer. Now what I had to do for this make app was finish the rest of it. So what is here is the icons for the computer. It makes it decides the icons for the computer side. Basically, it just switches around the computer icon. And this part right here, this variable with the list inside with the random number, it's just randomly choosing an icon without just randomly choosing it from the 0 index to the list length index minus 1, because again, index start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now this final piece is a very long conditional statement. I could have made it shorter, but I did this because I like seeing everything happen. And what these have, it has 3 sections, three outputs. So each section is a you lose, or you win, or a draw output. And the way that it works is a big conditional statement comparing the outputs of each person. So for example, if the computer got scissors and I got paper, it would display you lose and return computer, which is the value of this right here on this else statement. And then same thing for the player. If I actually win, then it will return player and from this conditional statement before. And the same with the draw, it will return the draw value of this conditional and if of this conditional statement. Yeah, that is my app. Thank you.